Please repeat after me. I am the creator of my own experience. One more time. I am the creator of my own experience. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me today at Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that's been created specifically for you to help you navigate through different relationship challenges. Think about it. Isn't it powerful to believe that you are the creator of your own experiences? That you create and attract what you believe? That literally everything is available to you based on your feelings. Now, this could be positive or negative. This energy field is available through what we refer to a universal law, which is known as the law of attraction, coined by Neville Goddard and proven by the study of quantum physics. Its core teaching is we do create our own reality. The fundamental principle is every energy attracts the same frequency of energy. For instance, like attracts like. With that said, negativity also attracts negativity. So what we believe, we attract. Everything is vibrational energy. This is such an important concept to truly embrace, and more than embrace, to believe. Because only through our belief do our feelings come to light. And that is where we are positioning ourselves to be in unison with the universe. The goal is to be able to manifest that which we believe. Now, this is not necessarily our wants. Wants are tricky. It can be interpreted as lack. And if we are focusing on our lack, we're attracting more lack. So it's really important to be able to focus on what you believe in, on what you want to believe in, not necessarily on what we lack and what we hope we have. Now, belief is a habit of thought, and it raises our energy field. Just feel the rise in your positive energy for just a second. Visualize, feel that you and your ex are back together. How does that feel? This is where the law of attraction comes into play. Through that feeling, our energy frequency raises, and we become in a receptive mode. And this transcends vibrational energy to create physical reality through the art of manifestation. And that is the prize of the law of attraction, because we will dive deeply into the different components of the law of attraction, however, with the goal of manifesting that which we want. So remember to please subscribe below to your channel. It's all about you. It is done purposely so that you are able to have so many strategies, so many tools just at your hands at all times. I truly look forward to hearing from each and every one of you with any comments that you may have regarding this, subsequent videos, anything, and I will try to respond in a timely fashion. Coach Alex, Adrian, Natalie, Danny, Priyanka, myself, we're all available to you at any time to be able to help in any way that we can. And alongside, I am beyond excited, really, to offer you an in-depth look into the different components of the law of attraction with a video product that I have released. And the video product is the law of attraction with my ex again. So please feel free to browse it, purchase it. Every concept that I will be speaking during the series of the law of attraction, we will literally elaborate, dive into it, peel that onion of any questions that may arise once you are able to be introduced to the concept through our videos. So here is where the law of attraction really is important, so that you are able to embrace it And it's very difficult to embrace it in just a short video. But in our product below, you will find that everything will be elaborated, it will be spelled out for you, all the exercises available where you yourself can implement them and start feeling that amazingness, which makes up the law of attraction. So also remind yourself, book a session with me. If you book a session with me, I would be more than happy to spend our session talking about a particular component of the law of attraction that interests you. It would be absolutely my pleasure to elaborate for you, helping you with meditation, helping you with visualization, with clarity, all of the different components that we will be discussing in this series of the law of attraction. Remember, the goal that we have through the law of attraction for these videos is to get your ex back. Even though once we become really expert at it, you're going to see that you can apply it to your daily things, for your career, for your relationships with your family, with friends, for things that you have put in the back burner and have sort of said to yourself, it's impossible. That's not going to happen. Law of attraction will show you how you can make it happen. Takes effort, takes your participation. There's not a fairy godmother that's going to go and make it happen for you. But I can tell you that if you apply the strategies as I will try to convey to you, your chances of manifesting are absolutely at its peak. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.